Good morning, doctor. Good morning. How can I help you today? I have been feeling very tired lately. How long have you been feeling this way? It's been about 2 weeks now. Do you have any other symptoms? Yes, I also have a slight headache and dizziness. Have you been sleeping well? Not really. I wake up frequently at night. I see. Let me check your blood pressure. Is everything okay? Your blood pressure is a little high. Oh, I see. What should I do? I will prescribe some medication, but you also need to rest more. Should I change my diet? Yes, try to eat less salt and more fruits and vegetables. How long should I take the medicine? Take it for 2 weeks and then come back for a follow up. Thank you, doctor. You are welcome. Take care and soon get well soon.